Hi and welcome to Big Rock Farm. Today I've got a special friend with me.
Hello.
Hello. Are you excited to be here?
Yeah.
Rafi is going to make something beautiful out of just soil and water. Do you want to learn how to make one too? Let's go!
Like and subscribe. Step 2. Now for step 2, we will have to remove rocks and stuff like that to make our dirt ball. And then repeat it. It takes a lot of patience to do it, but at the end, it's worth it. I unfortunately have to move in because of this rain. If it gets wet, it's harder sieve soil. We need 1 cup of water and 2 cups of soil. That's it. Make like a hole in the middle. It needs to be 1 cup. Put it in the middle. This is the dirty part. You have to mix the water with the dirt. If you're hungry at this part, you just eat first because this part, it didn't make you super dirty.
Okay, Rafi, at this point we're just going to keep adding mud until we're happy with the size and try to make it as round as possible. Keep it as a ball and press slowly though. Look, can you see how I'm doing it? Press slowly and then just bang it from one side to the other. But now we're squashing and then we move on to the next stage after we squash a bit more water out.
This dirt ball is like a dirt ball.
Dorodango.
Ball.
A Dorodango.
What does that mean?
It's in Japanese. It just means mud dumpling.
Dumpling?
Yeah.
It's too big for a
Dumpling. Yeah, but that's what they call it. And then we move on to the next stage after we squash a bit more water out.
What is this?
We're going to sieve some more soil and then we're going to roll this in so it takes out the moisture, okay?
Step 4.
Lift it up gently and press. So the moisture from the wet comes on the dry. And we're just going to keep doing this. Press. Yeah, like that's good as well. Another layer. But try and do it evenly, the layer. Yeah, perfect. And then just till it's wet. Till the soil is wet again. Like it's soaking wet. Look, it's all wet again. And I have small cracks. So I'm careful with it. Because you don't want any cracks. You want it as smooth as possible with as little cracks as possible while you're working on it.
If it's like a tiny bit of cracks, it's okay.
It's okay because it will sort itself out eventually. And then do this. And I feel like when I do this, it makes it more round. Can you do it with your fingers?
What?
Roll it. Can you see my fingers? Yeah, perfect. Can you feel it rolling in your hand? Rubbing against your palm. And press. Still you're pressing out the moisture.
This stage we have to put layer and layer until it's like a rock. This is actually so hard.
It's getting hard,
In my
eh?
hand it feels so hard.
Yeah. It's the feeling that you feel when it's really hard is pretty cool.
It is pretty cool. It feels like hard. You can spin it around and around. Make an extra layer and then pat it again. Another way of polishing is grab soil, put it on your dirt ball, and then just mix it.
The dirt that you're putting on it, you're using its coarseness to polish the ball, your sphere.
It becomes smoother and softer.
So if you take off as much as you can of this fluffy layer,
Fluffy.
lightly with the cup, let me show you. It's nice, the sound. You like the sound it makes?
Yeah.
You can do it a bit faster, but just softer, so you're not pressing down on it, because if you take off too much of the layer, it will take off what you've been working on. Because like this, you've been working on it to get it smooth. So if you take off that top layer, then you're taking off the smoothness. So you don't want to take that off.
So risky.
Yeah, that's why either do it lightly, or if you don't care that it's not perfectly round, you don't have to do it.
Oh, I don't.
So you don't have to do it.
It doesn't have to be perfect to add some character. I've been working on this for like a bunch.
Yeah, it's been much over an hour. It takes time, to get it like this, from this to this.
This to this.
So now I'm going to take off the fluffy layer and just leave this and put it in a bag.
Can I do this?
Yep.
You gotta put it in the bag for 4 hours.
Because of the bag, they're gonna take out more moisture and then we can polish it. So what did you feel when you got out of the bag? It was wet, right?
Yeah.
So it's getting the moisture out from the middle of the ball. And now we're gonna try and polish and dry it.
You gotta polish it, just put it like around and around.
Do you feel more relaxed when you do it?
Yeah. You need to do this about like 20 minutes and then we will put it in the bag again.
For a whole night, Rafi?
After it really shines, we can put it in the bag for 8 hours. See you in the morning, guys. And now it's daytime. We waited 8 hours and now it is perfect. Now we will polish it with some soil and then polish it with a rack too.
It's definitely dry,
Yeah. I'm so excited to watch this. How long will this take?
I don't know, till you see it shiny. It's so different every time. It depends how shiny you want it. It was darker when wet, so it changed color and he polished it really nicely. Oh, and he also found a lovely rock on the land. Ooh.
It's beautiful. Just look at that round. It's beautiful.
That is it from us. And what should they do now if they like the video?
Subscribe!